Look familiar? You cruise the aisles, fill your cart, then gulp at the register. If you've got a family of 4, you know grocery bills can feel like they're climbing faster than your kids on a jungle gym. And you're not alone. 62% of Americans say food costs are a major factor in deciding what or where they buy. That's not just a data point. That's real wallets getting squeezed. But here's the good news. Saving on groceries isn't about clipping a handful of coupons and hoping for the best. It's a system, a simple, repeatable 4-step plan and save approach that any busy family can adopt. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to trim your grocery bill by hundreds each month, without sacrificing the healthy meals, snacks, and ingredients your crew needs. Let's break it down. Know your baseline plan and cook smart bulk and stock. Strategically hack discounts and brands. Ready to stop reacting and start owning your grocery budget? Let's roll. Know your baseline. Before you chop coupons or stock bulk bins, you need data. Specifically, track 4 weeks of spending. Grab your last 4 grocery receipts, or pull them from your store app. Jot down total spent, number of items, and any splurge purchases, ice cream, chips, energy drinks. Use a simple sheet or app, e.g. Mint, EveryDollar, even a Google Sheet. Why? Because guessing your baseline is like driving blindfolded. You need hard numbers to target. Identify non-negotiables. Allergies, dietary needs, or must-have staples, e.g. oatmeal every morning. Map these out as your fixed costs in your grocery budget. Example: milk and eggs, $25 per week. Peanut butter and oats, $15 per week. These anchor points help you see where you can flex and where you can't. Spot your biggest leaks. Look for categories where you overspend by 20 to 30%. Typical culprits: pre-cut produce, single-serve snacks, fancy coffee, impulse treats at checkout. If you're dropping $40 a week on single-serve yogurts, that's $160 a month right there. Imagine shaving that in half. Set a realistic target. Take your average weekly spend. Subtract 10 to 20%. That's your stretch goal, not your panic goal. Example: average equals $200 per week. New goal equals $160 to $180 per week. Pro tip: involve the family. Let each kid pick one snack or breakfast item. It builds buy-in and prevents surprise meltdowns at the cashier. Part 2. Meal planning and batch cooking. Okay, so you tracked your spending. You faced the receipts, and maybe you noticed what most families do. You're buying a lot of food, but still asking, what's for dinner, every single night? Chuckles? Yeah, same. That's where meal planning and batch cooking come in. This is the secret sauce that keeps you from scrambling at 6 p.m. and panic ordering pizza. Let's build a weekly rhythm that cuts food waste, reduces dinner stress, and saves you hundreds per month. Step 1. Build a 4-week rotating menu. Stop reinventing the wheel every week. Instead, create a 4-week rotating meal plan that balances variety and simplicity. Here's how. Pick 5 core dinners per week. Leave 2 nights for leftovers. DIY, breakfast for dinner, sandwich night, etc. Repeat this basic structure for each week. Monday, 1 pot meal, chili, stew, curry. Tuesday, tacos or wraps, use different fillings weekly. Wednesday, pasta night with rotating sauces. Thursday, sheet pan or oven meal. Friday, fun night, homemade pizza, sliders, burrito bowls. Keep weekends flexible or snacky. Example: week 1, chicken stir-fry, ground beef tacos, spaghetti with marinara. Sheet pan salmon plus veggies. Homemade pizza night. Then switch protein spices and sauces for week 2. It's enough variety to avoid boredom, but structured enough to actually shop for. Step 2. Batch cook smart, not extreme. No need to become a Sunday meal prep warrior trademark. We're talking small batch prep with maximum impact. Batch cook. Your proteins. Cook 2 to 3 pounds of chicken breast or thighs at once. Bake a tray of turkey meatballs. brown ground beef, or turkey in bulk. Use these across multiple meals. Tacos, pasta, wraps, grain, bowls, sandwiches. Pro tip: season simply, salt, pepper, garlic, so it works with multiple cuisines later. Batch prep, carbs and sides. Cook a big pot of rice or quinoa. Roast a tray of sweet potatoes or regular potatoes. Pre-wash and chop salad, greens, and veggies. That's 60% of dinner, already done. Step 3. Freezer is your friend. Your freezer equals your backup plan. Start building a freezer inventory of go-to items. Leftover chili soup in Ziploc bags. Lay flat to store. Marinated proteins, raw but prepped. Homemade frozen pancakes or waffles for quick breakfasts. Tip: always freeze in family-sized portions and label with the date. FIFO equals first in, first out. Step 4. Shop by plan, not mood. Once your menu's locked in for the week, only shop for what you need. Don't browse. You've got your meals, your list. Stick to it. Bonus: use your weekly plan to build your grocery list by category: proteins, carbs, produce, dairy, snacks. Staples: use a free app like AnyList or Cozy, or just a shared notes app. Step 5. Plan school lunches and snacks. 2. This is where parents accidentally blow their budget. You pack dinner, but the kids still raid the pantry after school. So, plan for it. Create a simple lunch and snack table with grab-and-go items. This stops random snacking and impulse snack runs midweek. Real-world savings example. Let's do the math. Without planning, 3 emergency takeout nights at $40 equals $120 per week. With planning, 5 prepped meals plus leftovers equals approximately $85. You save $35 to $50 every week, plus lower stress and healthier eating. Over a year, that's $1,800 to $2,600 plus in savings. Quick recap. Meal plan strategy. Create a 4-week rotating dinner plan. Batch cook proteins and sides. Use the freezer like Storage Gold Shop with a list based on your plan. Pre-plan lunches and snacks too. Listen, your family doesn't need a perfect Pinterest meal board. They just need food on the table, consistently, affordably, without chaos. And when you have a plan in place, dinner becomes one less thing to stress about. You're not just feeding your family, you're leading it. If this helped, hit that like button and comment Batch Cook Boss below. And subscribe so you don't miss part 3. Bulk buying and pantry strategy, where we turn your shelves into a savings machine. Because meal planning isn't about being perfect, it's about being prepared.